I'm Connecticut personal injury lawyer Richard Hastings. And on today's edition of How Can We Help You, I want to talk to you about a question we are sometimes asked by individuals. What's my case worth is a question that we're asked on a very regular basis. In order to make that determination, we have to look at a number of different issues. Number one, what's the liability? Because in Connecticut, we use modified comparative negligence, which means that we look at the liability of the at-fault party and the liability of the person that was injured. In most cases, the person that's injured was doing everything they should be doing, and the person that injured them was doing things that they should not have been doing, so that there's 100% liability on the part of the person that caused the accident. The next thing we look at are what are your damages? And damages comprise two different elements. One is economic damages. And economic damages are anything that you can add up to the penny. What are your medical bills? What are your future medical bills? What are your past lost wages? What are your future lost wages? What type of rehabilitative care did you get? Those things you can add up to the penny. And those are your economic damages. The things that are more difficult to calculate are your non-economic damages. And they're things like pain. How much pain did you endure? How great was it? Over what period of time? The suffering. How did you suffer? For how long did you suffer? What type of permanent disability do you have that's been given to you by your doctor? How did this affect you over the course of your injury, and how will this affect you over the course of the rest of your life? Do you have any scars? Is there a claim for loss of consortium on the part of your spouse? So we have to look at all of these different issues before we can tell you what your case is worth. Once we get all of this information together, including a report from your doctor that says what your final disability rating is, we will sit down with you and discuss the range of values for your case, and we'll be happy to answer all of your questions.